Just go fly up there. So he jumps down.
Oh my god, if I had grenades, that'd be awesome.
Grenade? Why do they always hit that corner up there?
They keep flying towards that corner.
I don't know, it's Oslo though.
Hitler.
Yeah?
Have you been wandering around this village?
Look, that guy got launched all the way. Wait, say that again, Cinder?
Did you walk around the little village that's outside?
Yeah, I can't even hear you. Alright, I gotta change my settings on my... Okay, say that again?
Did you walk around the little village that's outside the map?
That we